you're using Blender and still haven't gotten your first paid client, it's not because you suck. It's because no one ever showed you how to actually get paid doing this. And no, Fiverr and Upwork don't count. I'm gonna show you how I went from messing around for months to landing my first $850 client in 2 weeks. Now, a lot of people think they need a perfect portfolio, or AI is taking over, so it's not even worth trying, or I'm just gonna post renders on Instagram and hope someone messages me. But the thing is, getting paid for 3D has nothing to do with you being the best artist. It's about being the one who knows how to talk to big brands and offer something worth of value. So here's exactly what I would do if I had to start from scratch. First thing I would do is create an Instagram profile. I would post 3 solid examples or renders. You're not gonna post 100 examples, and make sure that these examples are in the same niche. So don't post characters and then post tech and then post cosmetics. Stick to 1 or 2 niches max. The second thing is learn how to structure a DM that doesn't get you ignored. You don't message brands saying, "Hey, I'm a 3D artist, I have 1 year of experience, I would love to work with you." No one cares about you. You need to show them what's in it for them. What are they getting in return? A simple example of this is, "Hey, I saw your brand while looking for cosmetic brands, and I help cosmetic brands get more sales / look more premium online by creating them 3D renders or visuals that enhances their looks online. Should I send you over some examples so you can see how this would look for your brand?" That's a simple structure. It shows them what value they're getting in return, and it keeps it simple. Clients and brands don't care about how cool your lighting is, they don't care about your topology, they don't care about any of that. They just care to have good visuals that actually gets them results. Now, the real question is, where do you find these brands? And I'll surprise you, it's simple, it's Instagram. So what you would do is you'd go on Instagram, you'd search a certain hashtag, let's say for example, skincare products. You'd search for brands that sell their own product, you'd message them, use the DM structure that you make, and send. Repeat this 20, 30 times per day, and eventually you're gonna start to see some results. This is the exact thing that I did that landed me the first client. Now, if you're still finding this a bit complicated, you don't know where to still find these brands, you don't know how to structure your DM properly, I've made a completely free training video in the description. You can check it out, watch it, it has everything that you need to know. And once you're done with that, go execute it, keep on repeating, and that's how you're gonna land your first client.